Good morning, everyone. Today, I'm sharing 6 easy stretches to kickstart your day with flexibility and energy. If you want to feel more relaxed, flexible, and ready to take on anything, this quick morning routine is for you. Let's dive in. Number 1, neck and shoulder rolls. We're starting with a gentle neck and shoulder roll to release any tension. Stand or sit up straight, relax your shoulders, and slowly roll your neck in one direction. Do this 5 times clockwise and 5 times counterclockwise, breathing deeply as you go. Now for your shoulders, roll them back 10 times, then forward. This wakes up your upper body and relieves stiffness from sleep. Number 2, cat-cow stretch. Next is the cat-cow stretch. Get down on all fours, hands under your shoulders, knees under your hips. Inhale as you arch your back, lifting your head for the cow position. Exhale as you tuck your chin and round your back into cat. Repeat this flow 5 to 10 times to open up your spine and boost circulation. Number 3, standing forward fold. This one's fantastic for your hamstrings and lower back. Stand with feet hip-width apart, take a deep breath, and exhale as you reach down toward your toes. Don't worry if you can't touch them. Just relax your neck and let your body hang for 20 to 30 seconds. Gently sway side to side if it feels comfortable. Now, reach both arms over your head. Clasp your hands together and stretch to one side. Hold for a few breaths, then switch to the other side. This side stretch helps open up your ribs and get oxygen flowing. Perfect for waking up your torso. Moving down to our hips, which can be tight from sitting or lying down. Step 1 foot forward into a lunge position, keeping your knee over your ankle. Push your hips slightly forward and hold for 20 seconds, then switch sides. This opens up the hips and strengthens balance. Finally, we're ending with the relaxing child's pose. Kneel down, bring your big toes together, knees apart, and stretch your arms forward, lowering your chest toward the ground. Hold this for 30 seconds, breathing deeply. It's great for relieving tension in your back, hips, and shoulders. And that's it. 6 simple stretches you can do every morning to improve flexibility, boost energy, and get your day off to a great start. Remember, consistency is key, so try to stick with it daily and notice the difference it makes in how you feel. If you found this helpful, please hit the like button, subscribe for more, and let me know in the comments which stretch is your favorite. See you next time.